Hello there everyone and welcome to the March 2020 Stamp, Die and More release full reveal. So first up we have the fabulous florets. Now this is a 6x8 inch clear stamp set and it includes some really beautiful layered flowers and leaves. This one's great for beginners because it has an outline image, a solid image and then a layering image, so it's really easy to layer up as well. As well as the stamp set we do have the matching die set and also the mask stencil available. Next up we have the Sweetener Thinks. Again, this is a 6x8 inch clear stamp set and it contains some really beautiful large flowers, leaves and some really beautiful mixed font sentiments. As well as the stamp set we do have the matching die set available, which cuts out all of the images in the stamp set, as well as the mask stencil too. Next up we have the All Things Orange. This is a really fun stamp set. It contains lots of outline images, a circle image which you can use for both an orange and a sun, as well as some really great sentiments as well. As well as the stamp set we do have the matching die set available, which cuts out all of the images from this beautiful stamp set. Next up we have the Wildflower Doodles. Again, this is a 6x8 inch clear stamp set and it contains lots of beautiful botanical images. So we have an outline and also a solid image for this one, so you can layer it up and create a really great looking cards with this one. So as well as the stamp set we do have the matching die set available, which cuts out all of those botanical images from the stamp set. Next up we have Spheres and Spirals. This is a really great geometric stamp set. It's 6x8 and it includes lots of beautiful circular images to use on your cards, as well as a beautiful thanks sentiment. As well as the stamp set we do have the matching die set available, which will cut out all of the images from the stamp set. Next up we have Happy Birthday to You. Again, this is a 6x8 stamp set. It includes lots of happy birthday sentiments as well as some musical ones as well. So we have a staff in there and also those musical notes. Next up we have Line Art. This is a 4x6 inch stamp set which includes some beautiful floral images as well as some beautiful sentiments. As well as the stamp set we do have the matching die set available, which will cut out all of the images from that stamp set. Next up we have the Pansanka, and this is a beautiful decorated egg image and it is layered, so you're going to be able to add lots of colour into this one really quickly and easily. As well as the stamp set we do have the matching die set available, which will cut around that egg image really greatly. Next up we have the Heart You. Now this is a mini 2x3 stamp set. It includes a heart image that you layer up to create a beautiful heart. As well as the stamp set we do have the matching die set available as well. Next up we have the Window Sphere die. Now this is a large window which you will cut into your cardstock to create a really great effect in your backgrounds. Next up we have the Treble Love die set. Now this includes a beautiful treble clef, a staff and also a love you sentiment, so you can use this on all of your cards. Next up we're moving on to the paper packs. This is the Cheerful Meadow 6x6 paperback. It has lots of beautiful floral elements in here. Now we do have 12 unique designs and 2 of each, so you're going to get 24 sheets of all of these beautiful patterns that you can see here. There's mixes of reds, purples and yellows and greens in this collection. Next up we have the Fuchsia Soiree paper pack. Again we have 24 sheets in here. They're all 6x6 and there are 12 different designs and 2 of each. They are all double-sided, as you can see. Now this one has a really beautiful watercolor floral effect running through it all, as well as these beautiful stripes that you can see. Next up in the paper packs is a Love for Stripes set A. Now in this you're going to get some greens, some pinks and some turquoisey colours. Now again they are all 6x6 and there are 12 designs, 2 of each, so they're all double-sided, so you're going to get lots to play with in this beautiful paper pack. If you love your stripes you're going to love this one. Next up we have a Love for Stripes set B. So this is on the same vein as set A, but in this one you're going to get purples, you're going to get yellows, and you're also going to get some beautiful pinky reds as well. So again, 24 sheets, 12 of each design, 2 of each. Next up we have a Love for Stripes C, and you can see where we're going with this one. So we have 24 pieces in this one, all 6x6, and they are 12 different designs, 2 of each, and this one you're going to get blues, greens, and beautiful orange tones. Next up we have some ink packs. So this is the Blossom Branch. In this one you're going to get wisteria, hydrangea, ultraviolet, firefly, grassfield, and also that beautiful Shadow Creek. Next up we have the Icy Lake. In this one you are going to receive the Arctic, Iceberg, Persian Blue, Ultramarine, Azurite, and Sapphire. For the Lilac Blossoms, you're going to receive the Soft Lilac, Wisteria, Lavender Fields, Deep Iris, Ultraviolet, and Andromeda. For the Soft Succulents, we have the Firefly, the Forest Glades, Moss, Limestone, Grey Denim, and Pure Graphite. For the Sugared Candies, we are going to have the Rose Quartz, Pink Diamond, Puffy Heart, Rubelite, Magenta, and also the Razzleberry. Next up we have the Summer Sherbet, and for this one you're going to get Cotton Candy, Pink Pearl, Sunkissed, Citrus Burst, Limeade, and Bamboo. Last but not least we have the Zesty Limes. In this one you're going to get the Limeade, the Fresh Leaf, Grassfield, Shadow Creek, Hunter Green, and also the Evergreen. We really do hope that you've spotted something in this release that really makes you want to create something beautiful, and we'll see you again really, really soon. Bye bye.